The next part of the platform that we will be looking at is charts. There are numerous ways to open a chart, and regardless of what method you use, all charts will open in a new window called MarketScope. MarketScope is FXCM's renowned charting software. There are several ways to open a chart. The first way that we are going to look at is by clicking the Create Chart icon up here in the toolbar. After setting your parameters, you can then press OK to open a chart. Another way you can open a chart is by right-clicking in the Advanced Dealing Rates window, going to Open Chart, and selecting a time frame. And the third way to open a chart is to go to Charts and then press New MarketScope. There is one other way to open a chart, and that is with your saved layout. To do that, you would have to go to Charts, Layouts, and then press Open Layout. Note that this would only work if you have a layout saved. Now we're going to take a look at the default layout of the MarketScope when it opens. The default layout will have a chart in the upper right hand corner, a chart in the lower right hand corner, and one chart on the left hand side. Windows can be closed and maximized by clicking the X and rectangle respectively in the top right corner of the respective window. The size of the windows can be changed by clicking and dragging on the lines surrounding the window. Time on the charts is shown on the X-axis and price is shown on the Y-axis. Each window will have a tab at the top displaying the currency pair and the time frame of the chart. Tabs can be closed by clicking on the X on the tab. New tabs can be added within Windows by clicking on the plus next to existing tabs. Windows can be moved by clicking and dragging on the window frame. Hover over the blue arrows while dragging the window to position the selected window to your liking. The toolbars at the top of the chart can be used to configure what the chart displays. Currency pairs as well as timeframes can be changed using drop-down menus on the toolbar. The toolbar will be discussed in detail later. The bottom right window that opens in the default MarketScope is a tick chart. A tick chart shows price movement in terms of the number of transactions. It moves every time a certain number of trades, ticks, have been completed. The tick chart shows two lines, one line for bid and one line for ask. The currency pair and number of ticks can be adjusted in the toolbar as well as the bid and ask lines. The two other windows display two different currency pairs with two different time frames. They also display indicators.